Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice problem. The question is, in a row of 40 girls, A is 5th from the right end and B is 10th from the left end. How many girls are in between A and B? Now please understand, since they have not told you whether they are facing north, south, east, west, so we are assuming they are facing north. Why like that? Because then your left and the left of your diagram will coincide. Similarly, your right and the right of the diagram will coincide. So let this be the row, and if A, and this is the left end of the row, okay? So they are saying A is 5th from the right end, so and B is 10th from the left end. So B will be somewhere here and A will be somewhere here. Okay, now B is 10th, okay, 10th from the left end. So before B there will be 9 people. Similarly, after A, there will be how many people? 4 people, right? So, and they have told you the total is what? 40. So, we need to check what is the value of X in this case. So, in this scenario, what we will do is that we will just start with 40 equals to, this is 9 plus X plus 4. But if you remember, B and A are also the girls standing in the row, so we will add those two as well. So plus 2. So for the value of X, it will be what? We'll have 9 plus 4, which is what? 13 plus 2, it is 15. So 40 minus 15 gets you the value of X as nothing but 25. Now this is a pictorial representation, but I'll give you a trick when it happens in such kind of a scenario where you need to find girls in between them, okay, and they are not overlapping each other because this number is also quite big. Okay, so there was not a situation where A was coming here or something like that. No, there was a lot of difference between A and B. In this kind of a scenario, all you had to just do is what? 40 minus 5 minus 10. Then also you would have gotten the answer as 25. Now, in which scenario you cannot do this? Okay, you can comment your answers, or I'll also definitely come up with a video on the same topic very soon. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.